Come on, Chad, don't play with your food.
You know, D-Troop very low to the ground, man. He moves fast.
Turn up. Gotta turn up.
Oh, no. Oh, my. Hey, we got a shooter in the building, bro. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Yo, what's going on, everyone? It's your boy Nelly Nuff from Hoop Life. Today I got a 1v1 for y'all with my guy here, D-Troop, aka LIL CLAMPS.
You know the vibe, you know the vibe.
Shout out to D-Troop for pulling up. Here we go, man. The ones, simple, 1st to 13, 1s and 2s,
Okay.
one shot possessions, so no rebound.
Okay.
For sure, right? All right,
let's get
can't shoot for the ball.
All right, man, I'll shoot for it.
Yeah, shoot for the ball, shoot for the ball. So we're gonna play the college 3. We're gonna play the college 3.
Woo.
Right away, right away.
Yeah.
So game 13,
Game 13. So this is like, obviously, this is our 2nd time meeting each other.
Yeah.
So we're really gonna have to test out the playing field. See, you know what D-Troop got, man.
It's unlimited dribbles?
Unlimited dribbles, yeah, there you go. Hey. Oh. Yes, I feel like I can't even slide right now.
Oh, you quick, yep.
Oh, my gosh.
Tough, isn't it? You know, we started off tough.
Come on, Renault, come on, Renault. Sounds good.
Yeah, it's cold in here, man. Okay, right away.
Woo. Oh, and up. Oh, my. Hey, we got a shooter in the building, bro.
Man, I'm trying, man. I'm trying, man.
You wanna change it up? Hey, you know, D-Troop very low to the ground, man. He moves fast.
Oh, good take.
Four one.
Oh, gosh.
Oh.
You gotta get on the court. 4-3? Yeah, 4-3.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, he's heating up.
What's that? 7-4? Yep.
Oh.
Stuff that one in there.
Hey. I got you right now.
All game.
Woo.
Got a little reach right there. Now you good.
It's called Lil Clamps for a reason.
Little clamps. Little scratch, little scratch. Little scratch. 8-4.
Oh. Damn, big body.
Mama always said don't play with your food.
Funny, the band-aids today. I don't want to get blood on my guy. No, you good.
Oh. Oh.
I just looked there on you, man. I knew you bumped me the first time, so second time I was expecting it.
Yeah, nah, yeah, that's smart.
Yeah.
Hey, Flo, let me turn up. Gotta turn up. Chicken waffles, Roscoe. Calling my name.
Damn. Hey, fried chicken and waffles does sound good right now.
Sound great.
Okay.
Chicken and waffles, yeah, Roscoe. Oh, yeah.
Last time I ate waffles, I slept for 18 hours straight. Swear to God. I think I was sick the next day.
Hey, Flo.
Yes, sir.
Woo.
Yo! Hey, man, what you doing to these ribs?
Yeah.
Hey, man, I let you go on that one too. You had me beat.
Shut. Now what?
The chicken's warm, man.
Oh.
Hey, sis.
Hey, did you really gotta use the body, man?
Woo.
I do the same thing.
Oh.
Boy, that look good.
Oh.
Okay, Neil.
Damn.
Okay, Neil. But no. I know. Hey, no. God. We did. Time to warm up. Warm up. You saw my feet.
That's a bad spot.
He's gonna try to head you there. Huh? He's gonna try to head you there. Trying to run you, pick up your pass. Line up?
Yep.
Jump. Oh, you hey!
Good step. Yeah, I was trying to be patient with
Turn
you
off.
too.
Great point. D2 aka Lil Cuz, man. Shout out to my boy Neil for letting me come through. What's going on?
Oh.
Good shit.
Woo.
Hey man, D-Troop is strong, man. Stocky, low to the ground. Hey, y'all be surprised how quick he is on his feet, man. Bro, hella fast, man. Good job.
Nah, I appreciate you for the invitation, man.
Hey, 100, bro. Appreciate you for coming out. Like I tell, D-Troop and everybody else, man, it's all about, meeting dope people and collaborating with dope people, man. It's not about whether, win or lose, you know, because like we all in this game together. We all do hoop content, you know. We're trying to build a loving community in the basketball community, you know what I'm saying?
Yes,
like,
sir.
you know, I appreciate you for coming out.
Appreciate you
And,
for letting me get the opportunity, man.
Yeah, best of luck. Hey, we shot a video on D-Truth's channel, so make sure to check it out on his channel.
Yes, sir.
Link description box down below. And until next time, we out. Peace.
Nice beat. Give it up. Thinking these women excite me. Give it up. Wishing y'all can pass me. Run it up. Stepping. I'm moving at high speed. Yeah.